I know you and you know me. We both know where this is gonna lead. You want me to say that I want you to stay, so you should probably leave. Yeah, you should probably leave. Like a devil on my shoulder, you keep whispering in my ear, and it's getting kinda hard for me to do the right thing. Yeah, wanna do the right thing, baby. Sleep, 6 a.m. and I've been watching you sleep. Honey, I'm so afraid, gonna wake up and say that you should probably leave. 'Cause I know you and you know me. We both know where this is gonna lead. You want me to say that I want you to stay, so you should probably leave. Yeah, you should probably leave. Thank you so much. We're going to take a short break and stick on. We'll be right back for one more set.